global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news.
Hello, good people. Welcome back to our channel. We're so excited to have you again. A lot is happening in People Democratic Party, and it seems the crisis is getting to an end, though most people believe it's just starting. Don't forget that Wike has made with the leadership of the party, and a lot of resolutions have been made. Samuel Anyanwu seems to be recognized as the acting or as the national chairman, but latest development coming from INEC has proven it differently. INEC was given the CTC copy of the Supreme Court case or verdict, and they said they were going to talk about it. I think that of Labour Party and PDP was handed over to them. They said they were going to deal with it with their legal team. Finally, the results are out, and I must tell you that it is not in favor of Wike's camp. Wike is strongly in support of Samuel Anyanwu being the PDP national chairman, but the latest info that we got from Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, which was made public by one of the lawmakers in PDP, talking about Ugochinyere, has it that the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has formally acknowledged the removal of Senator Samuel Anyanwu as National Secretary of the People Democratic Party, PDP, following corresponding to it signed by the acting national chairman, Ambassador Umar Damagum, and the newly recognized acting national secretary, Architect Setonju Kosoedo. This development came amid mounting internal strife within the party, as INEC also confirmed receipt of the PDP's governorship candidate for the upcoming Anambra state election, jointly signed by Damagum and Kosoedo. The letter dated May 7, 2025 listed Anyanwu Wike as the PDP gubernatorial candidate, with Honorable Okeke Francis Chukwudi as his running mate. In a press statement, spokesperson for Nigerian opposition lawmaker coalition, Honorable Ugochinyere, who rejoiced over the development, also raised the alarm over an alleged move by Damagum to send a counter letter to INEC. According to Ugochinyere, this move undermines Kosoedo authority as acting secretary and potentially skew the upcoming National Executive Committee meeting of the party scheduled for May 27, 2025. According to him, he says, let it be known that Senator Anyanwu removal has been formalized by the National Working Committee, and INEC has accepted the nomination of the PDP Anambra gubernatorial candidate through letters signed by Damagum and the authentic acting secretary, Kosoedo. He further warned there is an alleged plot by Damagum to secretly send a counter letter to INEC undermining the acting secretary of the PDP, Architect Setonji Kosoedo, and aborting the forthcoming NEC meeting. The PDP, in a separate letter to INEC dated May 5, 2025, formally informed the commission of Kosoedo's appointment as acting national secretary. The letter read in part, we write to formally inform the commission that the leadership of our party, the People Democratic Party, at its 600th National Working Committee meeting held on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, resolved and directed that Deputy National Secretary, DNS, Honorable Architect Setonji Kosoedo, assume office as Acting National Secretary till further notice. We therefore wish to formally request that the Commission update its record to reflect this change, and please accord the Acting National Secretary, Honorable Architect Setonji Kosoedo all the necessary support to perform his constitutional duties. On the Anambra governorship election, the PDP wrote, we write to inform the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, that Anyanwu Wike is the People Democratic Party's gubernatorial candidate for the November 8, 2025 Anambra State gubernatorial election, having emerged winner of the party's primary in Anambra State, monitored by the Commission. Please be also informed that Honorable Okeke Francis Chukwudi is Anyanwu Wike's running mate. Ugochinyere commended the People Democratic Party National Working Committee Governor Peter Mbah of Enugu State and Ugochinyere for slamming the door against traitors and revealed that the party is preparing to appoint a substantive secretary from the southeast region. Ugochinyere also reiterated his call for the expulsion of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Anyanwu Wike, and Senator Anyanwu from the party, accusing them of undermining PDP's unity and sabotaging its progress from within. According to him, he says Wike and Anyanwu must go. They have consistently worked against the collective interests of the PDP and must be shown the exit door if the party is to survive. Wow, this has attracted so much reactions from Nigerians, and you're going to hear the position of most people. Now, some are talking down on talking down on Ugochinyere, considering the fact that he was fully involved in Fubara's case, and some are hitting straight on some of the points that he had mentioned. Example, the issue of Anyanwu and Wike being expelled, that it is sacrosanct, it must be done speedily if PDP must exist. Others are of the opinion that Ugochinyere has always been causing a lot of rift in the party, but I don't think that he's the one causing it. Someone here, Bobby Ifeanyi, says, this Ugochinyere or what? I thought he is a lawmaker. Why are you confusing and disgracing yourself? You are hell-bent on insulting the sensibility and feelings of real PDP members. That is why I don't like what you are doing. And some are commending him that the expelling those two duos, talking about Samuel Anyanwu and Wike, will give way for progress by the People Democratic Party. You know, all of this will be brought to an end after the NEC meeting. The NEC meeting will be holding precisely on the 27th of May 2025, and I think a lot of issues will be discussed, but I really doubt if PDP is willing to let go the likes of Wike, considering some of the things that have gone ahead before, all of this came up. He had been standing strongly against the party, and it seemed the party was almost tearing off until when he had a meeting with the governors forum, and I would say that the outcome of the meeting was actually in his favor. The issue of the national secretary was being addressed. So right now we are torn between either Ugochinyere will stay or Anyanwu will stay, but be that as it may, I think it's important for the People Democratic Party to take a position in respect to this, so that it will favor them in the upcoming election. The party seems to be dead. For some people, they believe that the party has collapsed. Wike himself has said it, that the party is at the brink of collapse. Ganduje also said this is the last year for its existence. Atiku Abubakar is working seriously for possible coalition with other political parties and all of that. So it seems as though things are not working well. But Ugochinyere is trying to paint a picture here, and that picture is that PDP will work again, and he was very happy, being that the two persons who have been fighting the party, talking about Wike and the senator, they are about to be hoisted out, but I don't know how true that will be until when we have been proved otherwise, because I think Wike is too strong for PDP to handle. We have to tell ourselves the truth at this point. Thus far, we have not seen any iota of progress without Wike in the party, and it leaves a lot of people with question why someone who is fully in the practice of anti-party activity is still seen flaunting himself as a member of the party, and unfortunately nothing can be done about it. As we are talking right now, a key stakeholder talking about one of his key friends is now in the BOT. So many things are staring.